Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Anyone is seeing my channel for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Don't miss the another update. Today we look into a major issue, constipation problem. From newborn babies to old age people are suffering nowadays by these problems. Here are the few tips for free motion. According to Ayurveda, 2 to 3 dry dates, 1 to 2 spoon of butter, 4 to 5 peppercorns. Mix all together well, make small balls, take daily morning after eating, drink 1 glass of milk. 1 to 2 spoon of amla powder, 1 to 2 spoon of butter, half spoon of sugar. Take half an hour before lunch. Take 10 to 15 dry grapes, soak in a bowl overnight. Take with 1 glass of warm milk. Triphala churnam 1 spoon, mix with half glass of warm water. Mix well, drink before you sleep. In Ayurveda, Agni plays major role. Agni means having proper hungry. Whichever you eat, that should digest easily. Daily should pass the motion freely. Having all proper qualities, a man is healthy. Constipation occurs when bowel movements become less frequent and stools become difficult to pass. It happens most often due to changes in diet or routine or due to intake of fiber. You should call your doctor if you have the severe pain, blood in your stools, or constipation that lasts longer than 3 weeks. Older people tend to be less active, have a slower metabolism, and less muscle contraction strength along their digestive tract than when they were younger. Most problems faced by pregnant women and after the childbirth, not eating enough high fiber foods and not drinking enough water. High fiber foods keep food moving through the digestive system. Mainly avoid junk foods, refined foods, processed foods. Include fiber foods for free motion. Protein foods, stop taking medicine pills for a small issues, change in your diet. Drinking more water leads to good health. Daily morning, once you wake up, drink 2 glasses of water. If possible, drink warm water. Usage of ragi bottles, glasses gives good result. Eat more greens, fruits, avoid fruit juices in your diet. In snacks time, evening, eat dry grapes, banana, dried dates, helps for free motion. Avoid more intake of caffeine and tea. Don't force to pass the motion.